And this time on Forward's bucket list we are attempting to trek to Everest Base Camp. This time we are going from Lukla to Namche.
You see them running up and down hills with carrying your bag all the way to base camp. Very strong. Also, they can walk very fast as well. Those two guys, so we'll be working as our assistant guides. Our goal is to get the base camp without having altitude experience. Okay, do not walk faster than them.
So we are at the start of our trek now, just leaving Lukla on our way to Phakding. Yeah, super excited.
So we're about an hour and 45 into the trek from Lukla.
Oh no, it's felt so easy so far because it's not been like strenuous or anything. We've just been like talking, haven't we, the whole time.
Yeah, and we got the first toilet stop of the trip.
This is our first squat toilet. First suspension bridge. Oh.
Namaste.
Yeah, so far on day one it's been absolutely lovely, and yeah, we're really eased into this hike because it's mainly been flat or downhill, which that means at some point we're going to have to go up what we come again. But yeah, the views are just spectacular so far, and seeing like the yaks and the donkeys, and we've crossed over some bridges, the flags. Yeah, the air's real fresh as well and crisp compared to Kathmandu city, and yeah, I'm just really happy right now.
Let's move.
So we've made it to Phakding. We've done just over 4 miles walking today. It's been fairly easy, and I feel like I haven't seen you today just because we've been talking to so many different people, like getting to know our group, and yeah, we've just been talking to others, haven't we? Catching up, asking questions, answering questions.
Social butterflies is what the word is. 2 words.
2 little social butterflies today we have.
Yeah, we've got an awesome little group, but yeah, Phakding tonight, and we've got all afternoon to chill, and then tomorrow we go to Namche.
Yeah, so excited, like, it's just good vibes, isn't it?
Yeah,
good
we're
vibes.
in the mountains.
You know what? It's only day 1 of the trek as well, and just things that we've seen so far, like the weight that the Sherpas carry on their backs, it's just incredible to see.
We can't forget our Sherpa guide, Asak. He's a great guy, isn't he?
Asak, yeah, we'll have to introduce him to you later.
Yeah, keeps calling me Benjamin.
Yeah, he loves nice me, doesn't he?
Benjamin.
Yeah, this is what I mean about day 1, and things have been absolutely crazy, and you can't believe you've seen it. You can just see behind me what that, I think it's a man or a woman's carrying on their back. It's just insane. Like, this is their everyday, we're in their civilization, and it's just like nothing we've ever experienced before. It's so cool, and just to be in a different culture, it's amazing.
Made a new friend?
I think I have, but he won't look at me.
Yeah, another feeling. What's he called?
Carl.
Not Jakob.
That one's Jacob.
Carl. So the tea house that we're staying in Phakding, is this one here.
Shangri-La guest house.
Shangri-La guest house.
Yeah, come on, we'll show you around.
Our room. It's just there.
Yeah, and when we got here, we ate in this little cute room, and we both had dal bhat, which is our first dal bhat here in Nepal, and it's their local dish.
Yeah, and if anyone's come across this video for information, since we got off the plane to Lukla and here at Phakding, we've already ordered our evening meal. So for the 3 meals and bottled water, because we've been buying bottled water today, we've spent 4,500 rupees between the 2 of us. Our first tea house room, babe.
Yeah, feels exciting, doesn't it?
It does. Do the honours.
we go. Yeah. Our room for the night.
We have the electrics. Look at this for a view.
Good morning, everybody. It's the second day of the hike, and last night this is how we slept. There's 2 single beds in the tea houses. Me and I find it really weird sleeping in 2 separate beds, so we've both just hopped in the single bed together. It's about 5:45 in the morning, so we've got to get up soon because we've got to be down for breakfast at 7. Yeah, got in our sleeping bags last night.
Morning.
It's pretty cold last night, but because I slept fully clothed, I'm pretty warm now, so ready to get up, have some coffee and breakfast. Yeah, ready for the day, but it wasn't too bad last night, was it, the sleep?
I'd say probably had 7 hours.
Yeah, good night's sleep. Yeah, we've woken up to some pleasant noises.
Oh yes, that was good. We're going for it now. The walls are so thin. Literally, it's like probably colder in here than it is out there.
And just in case you're wondering, there's no heating in these tea houses. Fly room number 1. We're meeting our group for breakfast at 7. It's 6:30 at the minute. We're up bright and early, feeling good this morning. So we're just gonna have a little wander around Sri Lanka guest house and restaurant.
I feel like we're the last ones to bed and the first ones up. Seem quite organised.
Wrap your hands around your coffee now. So it's 8 o'clock now and we are making a start on the hike today, and today is going to be a big day, so yeah, let's go. Yeah, because we're hiking at high altitude today, we've got a Sherpa guide that's leading the group in front of us to make sure that we're not hiking up too quickly, and then we've got Isaac and our other Sherpa guide at the back, making sure no one strays behind. This is our guide.
My name is Ashok.
Yeah.
I'm from Nepal, so I'm leading group.
Yeah.
Group from G Adventure. I'm very happy. They are all very nice. So now we are heading to Namche Bazzar. Before we get to Namche, we're going to see Everest, Lutsi, Nupsis, over high 8,000 meter high mountain.
Yeah.
So it's a beautiful day.
Isaac is absolutely fantastic as well. Thank you for everything so far.
Thank you for coming here for doing this beautiful trek.
There's 14 of us all together on this trek, and we've got Angelica, say hello, and Lauren, and Kate, and then I'll try and catch everybody else at some point today. While there's a gap in your conversation, here's Nick, trying to introduce everyone to the vlog.
Good luck with that.
Yeah. It's been lovely chatting with you, Nick, honestly. Like, it's been so good.
Very awkward on this.
Forget it. We just went
Adam, Tim, say hi to everyone on the vlog. And Desi. We have Will and Grace.
Hello everyone.
And you two are so lovely, by the way. And this is Mario. The only 2 left to introduce is Emily and Alba from Denmark. Yes. And they're both 19 as well, so cool that they're doing this. First stop of today, just stopped for a drink of water and a wee stop, and yeah, this is the toilet situation on this stop today. So we're just about 3 hours in now, I think.
We're starting to go up a bit now. The path is good, a little bit uneven, but good.
But feeling pretty good. Yeah, looking forward to some lunch soon. Worked up an appetite.
So this mountain here is a sacred mountain. I'll put the name here. And nobody has ever actually summited it. It's forbidden. It's this Nepalese flat. They call it Nepalese flat because it's flat to them, but you go down to go back up, or you go up to go down. And we're just going down to go up.
So excited for food, and look at our view. Wow! Just thought I'd quickly show you our lunch stop today and the toilet situation. Western Star toilet, and it's pretty nice. A wee with a view. So we've all just finished having lunch at Friendship Lodge and Restaurant, and from this point it's 3 hours up to Namche Bazzar, and this is supposed to be the most difficult part of the hike today. So yeah, all filled up after some dal bhat.
And we're going to gain somewhere between 600 and 650 metres of altitude, so it's going to be a tough afternoon.
Both me and Nathan are on our 4th litre of water, and it's only 1 o'clock, so we'll probably squeeze a couple more litres in as well before we go to bed. So it really is true what they say. You will be drinking about 5 litres of water a day. The views up until this point are so stunning, it makes you feel like you forget you're doing a hike, doesn't it? Because everything's just so spectacular.
I know, but looking up at that, it's quite high up from where we are, but quite close, so it's going to be on steep track now, isn't it?
Steep track now, and that's the highest bridge in the distance that's on this trail, so yeah, looking forward to crossing that. We are at 2,935 metres above sea level. To get back to Lukla, where we started, it's a 7.5 hour walk, and to get to Namche Bazzar, where we're going, it's a 2 hour walk from this point. Wow! Look at this! This is amazing!
Dal bar power, 24 hour. Climbing up this is quite hard. You can tell that now because everyone's been chatting away this morning. It's gone quiet, apart from Hannah trying to start conversations with everyone. So the service is on this trek, and behind us there's a paid toilet and a free toilet. I think I'm going to go for the free one. $3,300, mate. Nearly there.
Apparently we've got 20 more minutes to go until we reach Namche. So excited. Actually you can see Namche just through the trees. So close now.
It's actually Bazar that you can see Namche.
Good one.
How you like that?
I like that one. We are at 3,405 metres above sea level.
Got it, mate. You drank your 3 litres today?
Yeah.
2.5. Good.
Room number 2. Oh, it's a carpet.
Ooh. We even have our own toilet and a cold shower. So this is the end of part 1 of our trek to base camp.
And yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video because we have had an absolute blast. It's been completely different to anything we've done before. So join us next time when we'll take you around Namche Bazzar.
And don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Walking through somebody's home.
Mount Everest just up there. How the did that get here?
Talbot Power, 24 hours.
And now we get a whole lot of steep.
It can be uneven underfoot.
It's a bit like a desert,
Cold desert.
a cold desert.
Can I have the yaksha soup, please?
For drink, yak this please. Group of 14 is now at 9. It's a tough day. Really like I could sit down and go to sleep. I am sick of treading in yak shit and slipping over because I've got yak shit on my shoe.
It's looking promising that this day is nearly going to be over.
Get me out of here! Zum zum!